Greetings of the day. Today we will learn how to create this wireless headphone in the SolidWorks using some features. Initially, go to the new, select part, then say OK. Then select front plane, sketch. Then select the circle, then select the origin, then give the dimension 100 mm. Then go to line, center line. From this point to this point, we will draw one center point. Then again, we will select center point. I will select on some points and I'll end the lines here. Then I'll give the dimension here 25 mm. Then I'll select the trim tool, power trim. Then I'll remove this one and this also. Then OK. Then select the dimension. I give the dimension from here to here. Say OK. Now I will select the lines. Now select this curve and this line. I'll make tangent. I'll give the dimension for this line, that is 25 mm. Now I will mirror this entity. Select mirror entities to be mirror, and select this line and this curve, and mirror about is the center line. Say OK. Then I will select the offset, select these lines, then offset value is 2.5 mm, and make sure that bidirection is on. Now again I'll go to the line command. I'll complete this sketch portion here also. Exit from the sketch. Now go to the extrude, say 20 and enter. Make sure that it's in the mid plane, then say OK. Now select this face, normal to, then go to the sketch, select the center line on this face. Again, previous view, select this one, then center line, then create one circle here. Dimension is here to here. Eight mm, and its dimension is 30. Exit from the sketch, then extrude, select the extrude base and select the blind. Direction 1 is this one, and I will select direction 1 2 mm, then select direction 2, that is 7 mm. Say OK. Before I will remove this merge result. Now it's become a different body. Now there are two bodies, the body number 1, body number 2. Now here I will make one ellipse. I'll select the surface, sketch, then select the ellipse, center point. Now dimension, I'll give the 18 mm from this point to this point, and this point to this point is 22 mm. Sketch is not defined, then I will select this point and this point and make it vertical. Now exit from the sketch, go to the extrude boss, I'll make it 5 and draft outward. I'll keep the draft angle 30 only. This here. Keep the merge result on. It will merge with this part now. Say OK. I think it's merged this also. Now I'll go to the edit feature of this part. It's merged with both. Clear selection. Now I'll select only this part. Then OK. You can clearly see this one body is separate and these two include the one single body. Then I'll select this face, sketch. I'll select the convert entities. Sketch is done here with the fully defined. Then exit from the sketch. The sketch is selected. Then I'll go to the extrude base. Say 3 mm. Merge result with remove the auto select. Then select this one. Say OK. Then I'll go to the front plane, sketch. Now I'll go to the center line. I'll draw one line here perpendicular to the this face, and again I'll draw another one center line here on this edge. Now I'll give the dimension 5 mm from here, 6.5 for this line. Now I will select the spline tool from this point to this point. Select this spline, you will get the this direction lines. Okay, then select this center line and this spline and make it perpendicular. Here also select this line and spline, make it perpendicular. Slightly drag it. Okay, then go to the mirror entities. Entities to be mirror, select this spline, mirror about the center line. Say OK. Now take a line and complete this sketch. Now the sketch is fully defined. Then I'll go to the escape from the sketch. Then I select this face, then convert it, go to the sketch. Now I'll select this face, sketch, convert entities. Now I have the lines here, but I want line on this central point, so I will do the offset entities, that is 5 mm. Okay, remove the bidirection, select reverse, and also check construction geometry. The main geometry will be base geometry, that is need to be the construction. Then I'll select this one, okay, and the base geometry became construction, and I got the line here. Now I'll exit the sketch, go to the feature, select Swift boss, then select this uh, sketch as a profile and this sketch as a path, and make sure there is no merge for this body, then say okay. Fine. Now check the bodies, body number 1, 2 and 3. Now I will mirror this one, go to the mirror, select the face to be mirror is the right plane, then I'll go to the bodies to be mirror, I'll select the bodies, body number 1 and 2, then say okay. Mirror on the both side is done. Then I'll make the fillet here 10 mm, okay, so okay, fillet 10 mm, fine. Then I'll select the fillet here 1 mm, here also, sorry, these are the different bodies so I can't give it in the same feature, say okay. Again I'll select the feature fillet, then 1 mm, okay. Then I'll give some fillets over here. Whenever we are doing the fillet, we always do the symmetric fillet. Now we will see the asymmetric fillet. Now we can define the different faces here. For the different faces, different radius we can give here. Now this edge I want to fillet. Now just see here, for this one this is showing I can give here a 10, and for this one I'll give the 5, see here, then say okay. Here also I give the asymmetric fillet, select the fillet, select this edge, check here, this one 5 and this one 10 mm, say okay. Then I'll go to the surface tool, then offset surface, I'll select this face, then give the 1 mm, 1 mm, this surface is offset, then I'll select the top plane, go to the sketch, I'll draw one slot, straight slot, select the center point one, I'll draw this sketch here, then exit the sketch, then go to the project curve, the sketch is selected, then I'll select the face where I want to get that curve, I select this one, say okay. Now I got the curve here. Now I'll go to the trim surface. Trim tool is this curve and the selection is this one. Keep selection. Now I selected this one. I'll have to click in. Now it will be removed. Say OK. Now just see one small plane is created here with that curve. Now I will give the thickness to here. Select this. Thickness is 1 on this direction. Say OK. Hide this curve. Give the fillet here with the symmetric 0.5. Select this surface. Also select this edges. Also select this surface. Yes. Then say OK. Now see. Now the wireless headphone is almost done. Now we'll give the appearance to this. I'll select plastic, medium gloss. Select this blue. Drag and drop here. I'll keep this body blue. Also on other side I'll make this body blue. And for this one I'll give the leather finish. That is a leather finish. Organic miscellaneous, yeah, leather. For this body I'll give the leather finish. Now for this one I'll give the black color, rubber, matte, glossy rubber, matte rubber. This body. Okay. Now select here. Copy appearance. Paste this body. Now just see. This one is have the leather texture, and this one rubber with black, and this one is blue. In the inside I'll give the fabric carpet. Yes, I'll drag and drop this one here on this surface face. Here also on this face you can see. Now here I select this one face, say normal to. I'll go to the sketch, select the circle, make sure the center point, draw one circle and some big circle also here, and two more circle. With the dimensions 16 mm, for this 18 mm, and it will be 24 mm, and it will be 26. Exit from the sketch. Now go to the feature, split line. Select the sketch, then select the surface here, then say OK. Now the split line is done. Now I'll go back to the appearance, then I'll select some lights, neon tube. I'll select the yellow here and red for the inner circle. And now another side also I will make that sketch normal sketch. I will draw that 4 circle now. One, 2, 3, 4, 16, 18, 24 and 26. Point is slightly missing. Now I'll say coincident. Then exit from the sketch. Now what I have to do is select the sketch and split line. On the sketch is selected, then I'll select the face, this face. Okay, again go back. Here on the big circle we selected yellow and inside red, inside neon tube red. On the big one we will select yellow. Okay, see, our wireless headphone is done. This is the way we created wireless headphone. Thank you for watching.